Many new investors want to start a plastic packaging factory. The first question they often ask is, how much is the machine? But before buying equipment, there are many important questions that should be clarified first. A plastic packaging factory is not only about one machine. It involves product selection, market demand, material, mold, auxiliary equipment, production capacity, factory layout, labor, power supply, and long-term operation. In this video, we will share the key questions buyers should answer before starting a plastic packaging factory. What product do you want to produce? This is the starting point of the whole project. Different products require different machines, molds, and auxiliary equipment. For example, daily chemical bottles, lubricant bottles, jerry cans, drums, and IBC tanks all have different production requirements. Before asking for a question, buyers should prepare the product photo, size, volume, material, and target weight, if possible. Who is your target market? A factory should not only be planned based on machine capacity, it should be planned based on market demand. Will the product be used for chemicals, cleaning products, lubricants, food-related packaging, agricultural or industrial liquids? Different markets may have different quality, strength, sealing, and material requirements. What material will you use? In blow molding production, material selection affects product quality, wall thickness, strength, appearance, and processing stability. What material will you use? In blow molding production, material selection affects product quality, wall thickness, strength, appearance, and processing stability. Common materials include HDPE, PP, or other plastic materials, depending on the product. If recycled material will be used, the production process and the product stability should be involved carefully. What's your target output? Buyers should estimate daily, monthly, or yearly production demand. Without a clear output target, it is difficult to choose the right machine size, number of capacities, number of cavities, automation level, and auxiliary equipment. A machine that is too small may not meet market demand. A machine that is too large may increase investment pressure. What mold do you need? The mold is a key part of the project. Mold design affects product shape, wall thickness, cooling, cycle time, flash, trimming, and product stability. Before starting production, the mold should be planned according to the product structure and the production requirement. What auxiliary equipment is needed? A complete blow molding line may require air pressure, chiller, mixer, loader, crusher, conveyor, leak tester, trimming system, and other supporting equipment. If auxiliary equipment is not matched properly, the main machine may not perform as expected. Is your factory layout suitable? Factory scape, machine position, material storage, finished product area, mold handling, cooling water, compressed air, and power supply should be planned before installation. Good layout can reduce future production problems. Do you have enough power, water, and air supply? For a plastic packaging factory, electricity, compressed air, and cooling water are important. Before confirming the final machine, buyers should check the local power conditions and factory utilities. Who will operate and manage the production line? Even with a good machine, stable production still needs trained operators. Isolation, commissioning, and operator training are important for the new factories. What kind of supplier should you choose? A reliable supplier should not only sell a machine. The supplier should help analyze the product, recommend machine configuration, design the mold, plan auxiliary equipment, support installation, and provide after-sales service. At DAWSON, we support customers for sample analysis to machine selection, mold design, production line planning, testing, delivery, installation guidance, and technical support. For new investors, The best starting point is not only asking for machine price. The better starting point is preparing your product information and a production plan. To summarize, before starting a plastic packaging factory, you should clarify product type, target market, material, production capacity, mode requirements, auxiliary equipment, factory layout, power and utilities, labor and operation, supplier support. If you are planning a plastic packaging factory, you can send us your product photo, size, material, and target output. DAWSON can help evaluate the complete blow molding solution for your project. Thanks for your watching. Subscribe to our channel for more plastic machinery and factory planning knowledge. Visit www.dawsonplastic.com to learn more.